people. So I just have to say, just now, this very dear friend, her name's Shreya. We were colleagues at when we were I taught at Triple IT for a short while, and so she was at JNTU, and so she just sent me a message saying that after following one of my I did this review on it's called Out of Love, that particular series, and she said she watched it and she really liked the show. So I mean, it was just a recommendation from my end, through my YouTube channel, and I'm so glad she liked it. So thank you so much, people. Any kind of feedback always makes one feel so special. So this is like a thank you video, and I really want to apologize. Yesterday I was speaking about DNI, that particular series, 365 DNI, and then suddenly I started thanking a friend, and uh, that would have been fine, except that that particular series DNI is weird, crazy. So later, I spent half the day thinking that maybe that was not such a intelligent thing. But there is this book called Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, because it's all small stuff. So for all I know, that friend may not have no, I mean, it was a very sweet thank you message, but because DNI, that particular 365 DNI, I don't know why I'm publicizing that particular show so much, but it wasn't so great. It was slightly crazy content, if you know what I mean. So that's what I was feeling, embarrassed that I clubbed the two. But anyway, this video is going nowhere, but I just wanted to say a big thank you to all the people who watch my videos, and in terms of, they then they send me these messages saying that they followed the recommendation and it's really good, and also thanks. Yeah, it makes someone's day, even a simple sweet little comment. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.